Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to make an animation slider right in Figma. All we need to go is have a frame over here and I would make it in black this time. And I have some assets already placed over here, text, a gradient. Let me know in the comments if you want to know how to make this gradient in Figma. I have placed AirPods Max asset over here as well. And here's a percentage of the slider that we'll be making, and around slider we would have our icons, so I'm using huge icons for this project. I would drop a headphone with indicating volume full and one indicating it's mute, and I would drag it into the project, right, and place it at the corner because we have to place our slider in the middle, right? Alrighty, and we have placed it, aligned it almost now. And for the slider, we would use a rectangle and give it maximum rounded corners to make it uh, have a rounded shape, and duplicate it to have a layer on it for the slider that would be sliding over it, right? We would be using smart animate to move it, and you would now see how simple it is. And we would place the ellipse, a small ellipse 25 by 25 to move over it. And all right, looks good, right? Let's duplicate it, and now we would make the state in which it would be in the future, right? Like this is the before state and that would be the after state, and Figma would automatically recognize these assets because these assets are the same, and but their states are changed, right? What I would do is enlarge the background as well, so when I would be moving the slider, the background would be moving as well. All right, let's animate it. We would be smart animating it on drag because we would be dragging it, right? And similarly for the reverse as well. And we would be using ease in, and I'm using it for 1 second. And look how cool it looks in the prototype, right? All right, now one thing is missing over here, our percentage, right? For percentage, we need to like duplicate all this, and we need to, I'm making 10 steps. I would be grouping them, and but we need to show only one. So I would be dropping them into a frame. This way, only one percentage will be visible, right? I would duplicate it to the other screen as well, and then slide over to the 100th, right? And you can see your states by using Command Y, and or assets are moving at once: the slider, the text, and the background.